Good morning, everybody. Before I get started, what I'm about to say is alleged. It's my opinion. It's for entertainment only, and we have a little hee ha ha. We're gonna start this all. I'm gonna pray for this channel, because after I finish praying, I'm gonna tell y'all what happened. The devil is a liar. Lord, I thank you for your grace and your mercy. I thank you for watching over me. I thank you for watching over each and every person that's listening to my voice right now, Father, that visit this channel, Father, because there's nobody but you, Father. I ask you to keep the enemy off this channel. I ask you to block everything meant to be bad to come on this channel, Father, and keep them out my comments, Father, because I trust in you. I am covered in the blood. My channel is covered in the blood. People who are looking at me is covered in the blood. Because we know it's nobody but you. Man can't do anything. Nobody but you. Father, I ask you to continue protecting each and every one of us, Father. Heal the broken out there, Father. Heal the ones who sick. Father, you say you will heal the sick. Father, it's tough, but we know you are the only one. We know you there. You will not leave us or forsaken us for anything. You said whatever our heart desire is there. Father, whatever each one of us is praying for, I ask you to grant it, Father. Because you said have faith as a mustard seed. You said believe in you. Because you gave your only begotten Son. No one could do that but you. And Father, I thank you for getting us up this day. Today, because you didn't have to do it, Father, but you did it anyway. Father, I ask you to guide our feet, guide our heart, keep us safe, and abundantly bless each and every person that watched this video, Father. In Jesus' wonderful name, amen. I wanted to say that short prayer because I'm going to say this before I get into Carlos. Some of y'all about to stop playing with God. And you know who I'm talking about. I don't mind praying for nobody. I will stop what I'm doing and pray for you. I could be driving down the street and you say, please pray for me. I will pray for you. But what you're not going to do is play with God. Because see, let me tell you one thing. God don't play about me and God do not play. Somebody left in the comment, Ann, can you pray for me? Said a prayer, had no problem. Then it said again, Ann, I don't know if it's my old boyfriend or my neighbor. I can't sleep at night. Something trying to get me. I say, pray. We're going to pray again. Then they come with some stupid woo! I want to say it, but Jesus told me not to. And then going to tell me, see, when you come with me with some stupid stuff, I give you a stupid answer. Then going to tell me, can I stop the boyfriend? Can I stop the neighbor? Or something they died, something about it, I don't know. So I guess somebody died or whatever, come back and hunt her. What can I do? I told her, I'm not Ghostbusters. Get on your knees and pray. You call on Jesus, because I ain't Jesus. Call on God, I ain't God. Because ain't nothing I can do. Y'all, I'm not Ghostbusters. I will pray for you, but I'm not coming to nobody's house with no kind of nothing to do nothing. I pray for you from a distance. And all you got need to do is have faith. Y'all about to stop playing with God. I know it was a troll. That's why you on time out. You blocked. Because I don't do stupid. That coffee is good. Now let's go to Carlos. God, Carlos in his feelings because he know we right. He talking about ratchet. Why y'all gotta say ratchet? You didn't say ratchet when Teresa turned that table on. You didn't say ratchet when Bravo did this, Bravo did this. Yes, we did. We called him trailer trash and we said it was ghetto. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. You're upset because you took something beautiful and turned it into a hot mess. That's why you're mad. We call you out on your BS. That's why you mad. I told you, I don't hate you. I just don't like how you do things. When you be having golden stuff in your hand, you take it and drop it and you turn it to the left. Everybody don't want to see ratchet. Everybody don't want to see confusion. Everybody don't want to see fighting all the time. Everybody don't want to see a lot of stuff. It's just the time now. The show, these people beating us, they killing us, they doing everything they could. Because you know why? Because what we giving them on TV. And they say, oh, that's what they like. That's what they fight each other anyway. They cuss each other anyway, so it don't make no difference. They bang, bang, bang anyway each other, so we might as well help them out. New generation. Sorry, Carlo, if you didn't get the memo. I had a dumbass come in my comment because I did a live and I said that Carlo was behind a lot of this stuff. Gonna tell me, oh, you trying to take Carlo down. Lay there. Go to sleep and take a nap. You missing the whole thing. It ain't about taking somebody down. It's about you black, you a male, and they getting rid of us. That's what it's about. You in your 60s want to see somebody fight. It tells a lot about you. Go somewhere and sit down. That's why I timed you out. You was blocked for saying something stupid like that. That ain't what I'm trying to do. I ain't trying to take nobody down. I'm trying to get him to see. It don't have to always be chaos, fighting and gaining up on one person. It don't have to. We understand it'll be a little bit of confusion, but what's going on Love and Marriage Huntsville? Talking about people, kids. Talking about this. Everybody jumping on one person. Fighting. Talking about mom. It's just getting too crazy. Ghetto. I call it hip hop a Huntsville. Ghetto. I ain't never called it ratchet. You done gave me a new name. I ain't think about that. Ratchet didn't come in my mind. Ghetto did. Because that's what they do in the ghetto. They always fighting each other. Always cussing each other out. Sleeping around with each other. Carlos, take accountability for what you did and what you're doing. You don't want to take accountability. The only things I keep on giving y'all pointers for free and y'all don't take it. Y'all watch my video. You just don't like. You pick out what you want and pick out what you don't want. Accountability. Y'all, you had a choice to show it or not to show it. But you wanted to keep that in there to make your show irrelevant. People have choice. And when you make that choice, your consequence behind it, you have to stand in it and pay for it. You so mad in your feelings. Why black people always gotta say ratchet? Why I said you didn't say, oh yes we did. Yes we did. We did. We call them trash. We called them ghetto. We show a lot of things. Where was you? There was a hot mess when Teresa turned that table over. It was a hot mess what she did to the other lady. I don't like the other lady, but she shouldn't have throw that thing in that lady's face. Ghetto. You don't like because the backlash coming to you. Because people seen your work. You took something so beautiful, and you be taking stuff so beautiful and turning to ratchet and ghetto. Everybody don't want to see that. We're in a new generation. We're trying to go into a new direction. We did that, done that back in the day. But what's going around now, how they're treating us, they don't give us the respect. You got to teach them how to treat us. And I keep telling you that I was your #1 cheerleader when you first came out. You, that reunion, you cut Melody down to the core. That was uncalled for. This lady going through a divorce. Montel treating her like trash, and you gonna tell her Ariana was the whole meal? Wow. You should be ashamed of yourself. Wow. Then Melody go back there and cry and say, I hate Huntsville. Did you go out there one time? You protect who you want to protect. You don't protect who you need to protect. See, you got a lot of damaged people on that show, including you. I said it a while back. Hurt people hurt people. I ain't here trying to hurt nobody. I'm here trying to teach somebody something. Take something from my videos. We had laugh, hee, ha, ha. We had laugh, prayer over here. We joke and we do a lot of things over here. But in every one of my videos is a lesson. Don't get mad at us. Get mad at yourself. Point your fingers at yourself. What you should have did is, I apologize. That's not what I wanted on my show. I will sit and talk to each and every one of us. Your cast saying they don't want Wanda up there, but you're keeping her there and keeping them up there. That tells enough about you. If your cast is uncomfortable with this werewolf, Kung Fu Panda, tells a lot about you. You can take people out of the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out the people. I'm going to leave you at that. Everybody, I'm going to set my website up again, and I'm only going to have $60. I'm going to make 50, but I can't because I'm so booked this week. You know, I have other things going on, so I'm only going to have $60 of growing oil. I'm only going to have 6 boxes, 6 big black boxes, and I'm only going to have 6 boxes of trio, because that's the only thing I can handle this week. My schedule is booked, and I just can't do it. But the following week, I'm gonna have like a lot of stuff, a lot of inventory. Cause I tell y'all, I mix this stuff myself by hand. I mix it in my kitchen. I have no help because I really don't want nobody to know my recipe. So what I make everything myself by hand, and I can't overwhelm myself. Like I tell everybody, when I make 100 bottles and I have like 15 boxes or 20 big boxes of when I have 20 big black boxes and I have like 20 trios or 30 trios, all of them go fast. About time Saturday come, I'm sold out. All those boxes, those 30 boxes of each of them goes. Because right now, I looked at my spreadsheet, big black boxes is #1 right now. That and the oil. The oil is on top and the big black box, because you get everything in that box. Your big black boxes, I'm going to put in a free band. Hair band to lay your size down. I'm going to put in a free band to lay your size down with them, because I have some extra one. I have no more. I'm out of pens, but this week I'm gonna throw in a gift. So place your order, subscribe. If anybody tell you that they love you, auntie love you, push that notification bell on, ring-a-ling-a-ling.